How to import renewable energy components into the USA. Welcome to our video on importing renewable energy components into the USA. In this video, we'll discuss the different types of renewable energy components, the regulations governing their import, and the steps involved in the import process. We'll also provide you with some tips and resources to help you get started. So whether you're a renewable energy developer, a manufacturer, or an importer, this video is for you. Let's start by talking about the different types of renewable energy components. These include hydroelectric turbines, geothermal heat pumps. Each of these components has its own unique set of regulations governing its import. For example, solar panels are subject to the International Trade Commission's anti-dumping duty order on Chinese solar panels. Wind turbines are subject to the Commerce Department's anti-dumping and countervailing duty orders on foreign-made wind towers. It's important to be aware of these regulations before you import renewable energy components into the USA. Otherwise, you could face costly fines or penalties. Now that we've covered the basics of renewable energy component imports, let's take a look at the steps involved in the import process. The first step is to obtain a permit from the U.S. Department of Commerce. This permit is required for all imports of renewable energy components that are subject to anti-dumping or countervailing duty orders. The next step is to file a customs declaration with U.S. Customs and Border Protection. This declaration will include information about the value of the goods, the country of origin, and the port of entry. Once the goods have cleared customs, you'll need to pay any applicable duties and taxes. You may also need to obtain a license from the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, for certain renewable energy components. Importing renewable energy components into the USA can be a complex process. But by following the steps outlined in this video, you can avoid costly mistakes and ensure that your imports are compliant with all applicable regulations. We hope this video has been helpful. For more information on importing renewable energy components, please visit the following resources. U.S. Department of Commerce, https://www.commerce.gov/trade/enforcement/trade-remedies. U.S. Customs and Border Protection, https://www.cbp.gov/trade/trade-compliance. U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, https://www.epa.gov/renewable-energy/importing-renewable-energy-components.